Hi, welcome to Open Hand Farm. I'm Penny, and today we are going to plant sweet potatoes. We started this process a couple of months ago. We sprouted and grew the potatoes so that we would have slips. We broke the slips off so that we could put those in water and have them get roots. Now we are planting our slips. I'm on my way out to the bed where we're going to plant them, but let me show you what I will be doing on Tuesday. We're back here in the potato bed, and you can see the potatoes are doing amazing, but this bed has not had any compost put on it. It's just the tilled dirt and broad forked. And today I'm just going to clean a few of the weeds off of it, and then we're going to add compost and plant our sweet potatoes. Alrighty, we got the weeds taken out and we have new compost down in rows. So now I'll just kind of level that out and we can start planting. Okay, I've dug holes about 10 inches apart, and we have our sweet potatoes, and I have my helper. Hi, Genesee.
Hi. Okra, because she likes to eat dirt.
She likes to eat dirt. That's okra. Yeah, she's eating my blood meal. These are the slips that Genesee and I made from the potatoes that we started several months ago. Okay, and look how nice they are. Okay, Genesee, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna lay them in a hole. You wanna lay them in a hole for me?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Genesee, you gonna help me? Okay, just lay them in a hole for me. And don't walk on all of that dirt. Just walk right here. Okay, right there. Here you go. Put that in the hole. Here you go.
Okay. Okay.
Good job. Here you go. Good job. These are all purple.
Uh-oh.
Sweet potatoes. Okay, there we go. Got it? And let me grab a couple more.
Yeah.
Okay, come here. Put that in a hole.
Okay, stop. Stop.
Here, brother, you want to put one in a hole? Here, let's let brother do one. Here, brother. Put it in the hole right here. Here, brother. Here, put it in the hole right here. Good job. Okay, we're gonna bury this one. You can move this dirt. Okay, brother. Come here, baby. Up. All right, Genesee. First, we're gonna take it. Yeah, there's lots of bugs. Okay, first we're gonna take it and we're gonna dip it in this so that we get that on its roots. Okay. Then, do you want to use your hands? And this is what I'm gonna do. We're gonna just hold it up. Grandma, hold it up, and you can push the dirt in for me. Okay. So let's do this one. Okay, wait. Let's put our stuff on it first.
Go.
All right. You want to pick it up and dip it in here? There you go. Put it back in. Okay. Now, do you want me to hold it and you move the dirt around it?
Yeah.
Okay, move the dirt in around it. You got to cover it all up. Oh, good job.
What's going on?
Good job. And then kind of push it all down. Good job.
I have it.
You did. You patted it very nicely.
Yeah.
All right. Then, let's do this one. You want to dip it in here for me? You going to dip that one in here for me? Kind of get its roots in. Good job. Okay, this is a mycorrhizal inoculant to help it just get along better with all the other soil things in here. Do you want to cover this up for me, Genesee?
Yeah.
Tev.
Good
Hey, buddy.
job.
Tevya. Oh.
Good job. Okay. We're just gonna keep on working. Okay. We are planting the Japanese potatoes that finally rooted in dirt in these 2 holes, and that potato, this white potato, we're gonna plant this whole white potato as well. It has sprouts coming out of it, so we're hoping that they'll come on through. I got the rest of all the slips in. They're looking a little sad right now because they need to be watered in really well. That sun was hot and really kind of cooked them, but I think they'll be fine. Their little feet are wet underneath. I just need to make sure they're watered in for the night because I will be gone tomorrow. We had to put a little fence around them so that the rabbits don't eat them. To make this work so that I had an opening here, we had to put a post here and a post here. So this one is zip tied all the way up to make it sturdy. And the gate is just closed with bungee cords. So when I want to get in there, I'll just undo the bungee cords and grab this wire and open it like a door, and it will rotate on this pole here. Nothing fancy, but it does the job. Now, because the fence wants to come away from the side here, instead of connecting like this, which still leaves some space, I'm going to connect it over the edge like this and come down on one of the corners, and that way it holds it together. So I went ahead and did this one the same way. It came up and over. That way it holds the 2 pieces together. The bottom, I just went ahead and stretched across because these really helped it stay together. In my last garden video, I said that I wanted to go get some compost for this bed that we had newly tilled this year, but it still needed compost. I said I was going to go to a place fairly close to us called Missouri Organics. I did not go there. A friend of mine last week ordered from there, and when she got it, it was full of pieces of plastic and trash. So I didn't know what to do because I really needed the compost. So I just started calling around, and then I remembered a place that my friend owns. We've never been there because it's kind of like 30 minutes away, but I was like, let's just call, see if they have compost. So I did, and he goes, well, we have it in bags. I'm like, no, that's not gonna work. And then somebody said something to him, and he said, oh wait, we did get a load today. It was supposed to rain the next day. So Mark and I decided to go ahead and go and get it, and then park the truck under the carport to keep it dry. So that's what we did. So it sat there for 2 days, and finally today it put out on the garden bed, and I am so happy with it. It is beautiful compost. I'm so glad we went there instead. It was $5 more, but so worth it. I am so happy to finally have the potato beds. When you work on something for a long period of time, you watch it grow, you wonder if it's going to grow, and when you finally get it in the ground, it's just a really good feeling. Now, the next good feeling to come is making sure that they will kind of come around, because they are looking a little sad today, but once their roots dig in, I'm sure they will be fine. I will show you what they look like in my next garden video. Thanks so much for coming along on this adventure with us. For those of you who have watched us, the sweet potatoes started to the point where we pulled slips off, to the point where I had to plant them in dirt and see if that would maybe work. I will say that most of these potatoes are purple potatoes. I did get 2 white potatoes start to sprout, so I just planted the whole potato. And then we also had 1 Japanese potato. So when I dig them up, I'll just be surprised at how many I have of each. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, blessings on you and yours.